So,
Hello everyone, welcome you all. Today we will discuss regarding how to dissect the spinal cord. First of all, after the completion of the dissection of the back region, we have to remove all the muscles of the back region, muscles of the vertebral region. Then after removing the muscles of the vertebral region, we will found the thoracic ribs which is articulating with the vertebrae. Here I have given the I have removed all the thoracic cage or ribs by the grinder side by side bilaterally. Then we will found the vertebral canal or vertebral column. Then I have given the slide grinder over the lamina on each side of the vertebral column. Then any one lamina open. After opening the lamina, we have to break all the lamina manually by the bone cutter or bone nibbler. Then we will found the spinal cord. Okay. Same way on the craniocaudary. First, we have to remove the. I have done the dissection of the craniotomy. So here I have encircled the vault of skull and then remove the vault of skull. Okay. Then I have given the oblique incision bilaterally and remove the flap of the occipital portion of the skull inferiorly. Then I have got found all the cervical, thoracic and lumbar spinal nerves. Okay. Here you can see durameter of the spinal cord. Here its branches. You can see, okay. Same thing here you can see durameter. Here is the durameter. Then here is the arachnoid matter, and here will be the pia mater, which is adherent with the gray matter. Okay. Same thing, bilateral opening of the lamina of the vertebral column. You will find the spinal cord. Then gently by blunt dissection inferiorly, you have to separate it by this way up to here. Still this portion is remain, so I am not going to demonstrate here. And if you want to dissect spinal cord with the sciatic nerve, okay, so already here I have separated the spinal cord with sciatic nerve bilaterally. Here you can see bilaterally. Root of the sciatic nerve L4, L5, S1, S2, S3. Okay. Here you can see L4, L5. Other roots are already damages. Here you can see other roots are already damages. But for this, for dissecting the sciatic nerve, here you have to remove all the muscles as well as gluteal regions or the muscles of the gluteal region. Then you will find the sciatic nerve root value. You have to trace it. In some portions or some roots will be damaged. Okay. Then here you will get its branches. One will be the tibial and another will be the peroneal. Okay. So by this way you can open. And for the cauda equina and hilum terminale, here will be the sacrum bone. Here will be the sacral canal. So gently with the help of hammer, you have to remove. You have to break the lamina of the first sacral vertebra. Then with the help of bone nibbler, by this way you have to open its roots as much as possible. By this way you can open the spinal canal with its durameter as well as its branches. Here you can see durameter which is open. Here is the durameter which is open, then arachnoid, then pia mater and some branches, okay, as well as denticulate ligament. Thank you.
so
Bilaterally, you have to cut the lamina of the spinal vertebral column. बस बस पण हाता ऊपर. By this way, you have to separate dura mater from the skull bone. आंगली ले ले. Separating the dura mater from the skull. Stop. Actually, separating the lamina of the spinal cord, vertebral column. होल्ड कर भाई. Separating spinal cord from the inferior surface by blunt dissection. Okay. एक स्काल्पेल बाकी से અંદર જે કરીએ છીએ ને એનું કરજો. અમારું પેન કરવાની જરૂર છે. આંગળી લઈ લે તો ખાલી છે. આ બાજુ પરાગ તને દેખાય છે નીચે? આરામથી કરજો. સ્કાર્પલ yes. Scalpel. Done. क्या साइड दिख थी ऊपर दिख रहा है. Removal of the brain with spinal. Yes. This video, I hope everyone is able to get it.